Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Fran.
We're from the Freshwater Habitats Trust, and today we're going to talk about how to join in with the Clean Water for Wildlife survey using the nitrate and phosphate water quality kits.
The test looks for two of the most common water pollutants, nitrate and phosphate, and it will take about 10 minutes.
To do the survey, you'll need the Clean Water for Wildlife recording form, a pair of gloves if you want to protect your hands from the water, one nitrate and one phosphate tube, a watch, or use the timer on your mobile phone, a sampling cup, we're using this picnic bowl, and something to write with.
Please read the health and safety advice on the website before you undertake the survey. There's a link to this in the video description. We've taken care to keep safe. We've found a safe place to get down to the water here, avoiding places with steep, slippery banks or with deep mud at the edge. And of course, I'm not working alone. Hannah's here with me.
And I'm going to wear a pair of gloves because I have a cut on my finger.
So I'm going to start by rinsing out the container a couple of times, and then I'll collect the sample. I only need a little bit of water. Now I've collected the sample, we can do the test here on site, or if you have a lid on your pot, you could take it home and do the test there. That's a good idea if it's raining. Here we've found a good spot nearby to lay out our equipment and do the test.
Let's do the phosphate first. The phosphate tube has PO4 embossed on the bottom of it. Hold the tube upright and pull out the yellow pin.
Keeping the tube upright, I'm going to squeeze the air out of the tube, like squeezing out the last of the toothpaste. Then, whilst continuing to squeeze out the air, I'm going to put the tip of the tube in the water and gently release my hold. This will cause the water to rush up into the tube.
We are aiming for the tube to be filled with water to just over halfway.
If you've not got enough water the first time, turn the tube upright again, squeeze out a little bit more air, and suck up a bit more water to fill the tube to just over halfway. Now I'm going to gently shake the tube for a few seconds to dissolve the powder inside. For phosphate, I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes for the colour to develop.
Whilst we wait, we're going to fill out the recording form, found at the back of the survey leaflet or as a separate insert if you're testing more than one site. Write down the names of everyone who's taking part in the survey today. Please give your first and last name. You can also record if you are collecting your sample as part of an organised group, like the Friends of Stubbs Woods. And today's date. We need to record where we collected the sample. You can find that out by using a GPS, an app on your phone, or by searching for the postcode online, or by marking the location on a map. When you enter your results online, you can put a pin on the map to mark your location, and it will look up the grid reference for you. It's really important to record the type of water body, and we can also record the name of the water body. If you're not sure of its name, you can call it something like Pond in Stubbs Wood.
Okay, now the 5 minutes are up, let's compare the phosphate test with the colour chart. The intensity of the colour is quite strong. I think the colour matches here, so we'll tick this box.
Now we are going to do the same for the nitrate test. The nitrate tube has NO3 embossed on the bottom of it. Using the same technique, I pull out the pin, squeeze out the air whilst holding the tube upright, then release my hold once the air hole is under the water. For the nitrate, we need to wait 3 minutes for the reaction to take place.
The 3 minutes for the nitrate is up. Let's record the result.
I think it fits here. If the tube matches a colour exactly, then tick the higher range.
The results from this stream shows evidence of nitrate and phosphate pollution. Sensitive species will start to disappear from sites like this.
We went to this pond earlier and did the same test. It has no nitrate or phosphate pollution. It's a clean water site. If you don't see a colour change, this is a much better result for wildlife. It means there's no evidence of pollution from nutrients.
We want to find and map more places like this because these unpolluted places are the best sites for freshwater wildlife.
There's more information about what your results mean in the survey leaflet and on our website. Okay, so now we've finished all our tests, we can dispose of the liquid down the sink when we get home. You can dispose of the plastic tubes using local recycling services.
Don't forget to enter your results onto the WaterNet database. This is really important because putting all of our results together means that we'll be able to build up an amazing picture of the state of water quality across England and Wales. We've really enjoyed our trip out today. Perhaps you have a local pond, stream or ditch near where you live that you'd like to test, or a pond in your own garden that you'd like to sample.
If you want to get involved, want more information, or you've used up your kits and would like more, then please get in touch via our website.
Thanks for watching.